I'm so glad you're here today, and I can share my beach-themed coloring pages just with you. Now, I chose a beach theme simply because, frankly, I'm sitting here at my desk with a little bit of beach-itis, and it's pretty bad. I would give nothing more than to be at the beach right now, but it's not going to happen for at least a couple more months. But I did book our beach vacation last week for August at our usual place in Florida, and I cannot wait to get under my umbrella with a cold drink, watching the waves, sitting at the beach with my husband, and just chilling out. And this coloring page just reminds me of me and my husband sitting under our beach umbrella every year, soaking up the sun without a care in the world. And I mean, is there anything better than just when you sink into your beach chair, you feel that breeze, and you just know you can relax? We love our beach spot. The sand is so soft and powdery, and it's like walking on clouds, and the water is an unreal emerald green that sparkles under the sun. It just makes you feel like you're in a postcard. And August cannot come soon enough. And one of our favorite things is pulling out our phone, placing an order, and our hotel will bring our drinks and food straight to our umbrella. There's no getting up, no hauling any coolers, just relaxation. And it is amazing. This page with the palm trees and the water and the fish just reminds me of how lucky we are when we get to go to the beach. We get to see the sunset. We get to have happy hour every day, which is included in our price, to have some pina coladas or some strawberry daiquiris, sit on the deck over that emerald green water, and watch the sunset. This page reminds me of just watching what others are doing on the beach, whether they're building a sand castle, they're playing games with their family, or doing something that you just can't believe they're doing. I love people watching. I know a lot of people like to go shopping when they're on vacation and hit all of the outlet stores to get deals and discounts, but I'm just not one of those. I'd rather have as much beach time as I can, sitting there by the ocean, looking at the beautiful water, feeling the sun, and getting my fill of people watching. So where do you like to go on vacation? Is there a special place, special town? Do you like to go to the mountains, to a cabin? Let me know where your favorite places are.